Hi, baby bear. Hi there. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, my giggly bear. Can you give me another giggle? Where's my giggle bear? Hi. Hi, honey. Look at your smile. Hi. Look at your sweet smile, my baby bear. Look at you. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye. We're ready to go. We're ready to go. Hi. Hi. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hi. I love you, sweetheart. What day is today? March 23rd? Oh, Bruno Mama's birthday. Yes, it is. We need to call him. Yes, we do. He'll be awake now. Okay, bye-bye. Love you, honey. You are 4 months and 1 week old. 4 months.